I'm gonna show you how to take in waist for men's pants. Usually every pants are almost the same. It can be even on women pants as well. So you learn one and you will see the different ways on different pants. So first I'm untagging the thread inside, and then I'm gonna open this. See this little triangle? They are stitched down, so we're gonna open the corners. After we open the seams, we have to mark how much we need to take it in. So in my case, I have to take it in 1.5 inches, so I will mark half of it, which is 3/4. I'll mark at the seam down and a little bit up, so I know to make it a straight stitch. On a white fabric, if you don't see the chalk, you can also use the pen with different colors, and it's removable. Now place the seam line just like this, flat, so we will be able to draw the seam correctly. So for example, we have to start from up 3/4 and go all the way down to 0. But you still have to repeat the same shape of the curve of the sit line. We will start sewing from the down seam. Make sure you do the back stitch also, and then we're gonna sew right how we marked. When you are close to the waistline, you want to make sure you're matching the seam exactly same. You also can put some pins if it's easier for you to sew. We also have to do the straight line on the waistline. Usually if you don't have the chain stitch, then you should do the double stitch only on the waist part. After we finish the stitch, we have to remove the original stitch. I always make sure the waistline is straight, and then I can start closing the waistline. If the allowance are more than 2 inches, you will have to cut it a little bit and serge. So the edges we have to fold it just like this as a triangle, and then we have to tuck them a little bit, and we'll do same thing with the other side as well. So now we're gonna fold it inside and press it. We're gonna take a pressing pad and we'll put under, and then we will have to press the seam open. So as you see, everything is perfect, looks nice, and now we just need to tag a little bit from the corners right here, and we're almost done with the pants. So we only just need to tag by hand from one side and other side, and we are done. I hope so this video will help you a lot and you learning something what will help you in your life. Thank you so much for choosing this course.